I'm Alex and this is Justin, and we've taken time out of our working lives in Sydney to travel to some of Australia's most remote and beautiful places in our modified four-wheel drive, and we're filming our adventure along the way.
Join us this week as we head to the spectacular Atherton Tablelands, chasing some beautiful waterfalls and even going for some pretty refreshing swims.
So we're still on the Savannah way, but we're kind of leaving the outback feel now, aren't we?
We're in the Tablelands.
And we're heading towards Atherton Tablelands.
It's bloody freezing.
Yeah, we're both wearing, Justin's wearing trackies, mine are under the guide, but we both put our trackies on for the first time since South Australia. It's not been this cold for us for about 5 months, so it's a little bit of a shock to the system. But I guess it's last time we looked at loads of waterfalls, which we never put on video. About a year and a half ago, we were wearing trackies, it was pretty wet. I got terrified by leeches, so we're trying to do that again now. Our first waterfall is Millstream, Big Millstream, which is the largest or widest single drop waterfall in Australia. This town? No, in Australia? Is it in Australia?
It's the highest single drop waterfall.
I love you just create a new definition and then you can be the widest.
Add your parameters to make it only one.
Well, yeah, we're excited to be back in the Tablelands, wearing jumpers and exploring the waterfalls.
I'm not, it's bloody freezing. It's very wide.
Very wide, and it is a single drop, I would say.
You know, they're really funny. I've just been yelling at this because we think background noise is really loud and we're just yelling at it.
Okay, maybe I'll lower my voice now. But yeah, epic. Well, it's waterfall number 1 and it's pretty epic, so there's many more to find on the waterfall way.
I might put some pants on though, so.
What is going on?
This wasn't part of the deal, Queensland.
This wasn't part of the plan. I thought we were in the tropical north, not in the misty, miserable south.
It's colder here than it probably is in Sydney.
Yeah. It's meant to rain all day, all night, and all day tomorrow. Yeah. But Justin's still determined to go for a swim.
Yeah, I'm just going to pick my spot. So we were going to film some real artsy shot of us driving past a sign. Come into here, but
we had to drive past the sign like 3 times because we missed the turn off.
Yeah, so you're stuck with full vlog. This is us walking.
Speed for vlog.
You can hear the waterfall. It's about a 700-metre walk down to.
See it from here though. Oh wow, it's pretty stunning again.
Yeah, down to little
Millstream
Falls. Yeah.
I don't think this has got any records for being the widest, longest, something or other, whatever, but it's pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
I reckon it's almost cooler from here.
Yeah, we'll show you that when we get down there.
All over my shoe. Not funny. Have you been to one waterfall? And I've already been. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Leeched. I hate leeches. And I don't know where it's gone. It's finished sucking. Please don't tell me there's one on this bit as well. This bit, oh, can't tell. I don't want to be here anymore. I don't like leeches. Look,
but I thought you loved it. I thought you loved it out here.
I've got like my blood's. Oh.
You were refreshed to be from the outback into the hinterland.
I hate leeches more than I hate mosquitoes.
I might go for a walk to the waterfall.
I'm not going nowhere.
I don't know why Alex got a leech. It's really dry here. Pretty stunning fall. Pepina. So we're going to continue on to a few more. Maybe Alex will get out of the car. I'll just walk back up. So we've just driven down to our third waterfall, fourth waterfall. Anyways, Souita Falls.
Souita.
Just down the road from Pepina or whatever that was. And Alex has prepared herself for the leeches.
I really wish I had gaiters. Look what we've got to walk through. I got leeched when I didn't even realise there was leeches.
Me, on the other hand.
I bet you got loads in your shoes.
Oh well, I'll get a good feed. Supporting the wildlife.
I don't want to get sucked by leeches.
I also don't think Alex has read the sign yet. Proceed with caution. Caution. Leeches.
I didn't see that bit of the sign. I don't want to. Not fair.
Off we go.
I'm just doing that so you can watch me laugh when I fall over it.
Stunning walk, isn't it?
I'm paying attention to not touch anything.
So strange going in.
I've only got one on my shoe! Get it off! Go away. Justin, they're just laughing. Don't go inside my shoe! No, you mother... Yeah, Justin.
So before Alex got attacked by two leeches, I was saying it's amazing we've gone from such a dry, arid environment to this pretty much straight away. So, pretty cool place. What do you think, Alex?
I don't give a shit, I want to get out of here. I still don't know what I swear that one's in my shoe. I'm also pretty fucking hot.
Well, we walked to the falls. They were stunning falls, but pretty ordinary lookouts. Would you agree?
I would agree. Pretty ordinary walk.
Oh, it was a beautiful walk through the forest. Just don't mind the leeches.
I do mind the leeches, and therefore I don't think it was worth, the fall wasn't worth the leech anxiety for me.
Yeah, it was alright. And we'll press on, we'll head to our next.
Before we do anything, I'm doing a leech check on my feet.
Alex is going to do a leech check.
It's going to be a regular occurrence.
We'll press on and we'll head to the next beautiful falls. Millionth waterfall of the day, Millaa.
How many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th.
Yeah. How are you liking this path?
Oh, it's much better than we've seen, but I still feel like there could be leeches everywhere. But it's a better path than the last one. We just saw two girls walk up bare feet and in their towels, having been for a swim. So.
I mean, it doesn't really give me any excuse. I just have to swim, don't I?
Where are you? Don't worry. Because it's cold.
Footwear.
Whose are they?
Whose are they?
Whose are they?
They're your jandals.
And where are your jandals?
In Mount Isa.
Most pair before that's jandals?
I don't know. Where'd they leave them?
I don't know.
Somewhere in WA. Come down, you just walk out in the jungle and then...
Zillie!
Yeah, there you get lots of rain, I guess. That big waterfall.
It's insane. I haven't seen waterfalls like this
For a long time.
for a long time.
That was number, where are you? There you go.
Waterfall number
6, maybe 7.
many, one of many.
One of many. Went for another swim. I wasn't planning on it. My entry to the water was graceful as
I've
ever.
already seen it fall in.
Oh,
I might
yeah.
even slow it down and zoom it in just for fun.
Anyways, it's pretty cold now.
I'm not cold.
I washed
Oh,
the
look at
mud
the
off
mushrooms.
myself. And we're going to head back to camp. And we
Look at the
spotted
mushrooms.
these sick little mushrooms.
They're like little shells, aren't they?
Maybe they collect water and dust and dirt. That's
Maybe.
why they're like that.
I'm
Yeah.
hoping the campsite isn't a rainforest, but I think it might be in a rainforest. So therefore leech nightmares are to come. We're in Henrietta Campground in Baloo National Park. On
Yep.
the road between Millaa and Innisvale? Innisvale.
You got to say it like it's Vale.
Vale?
Vale.
Pretty sunny campsite, it's just wet air.
Still tipping it down.
I'm going to show them more than the bottom of the trees.
It's raining. As far out as I'm venturing.
Back in the rainforest. It's been a year.
Yep. This awning.
Is that correct?
This will be the first time this awning's seen rain. Is it? Yeah.
Proper rain, yeah.
Since like Perth. Day 2 of
Waterfall Way.
Yeah.
That's what I've named it.
We're at Chipala Falls. Pretty stunning. Pretty stunning.
I've already found one leech.
You want to walk?
Can I get my leech off first? I need to sit. Why do you not have any on your feet? Ah!
Second waterfall. Walchacha.
I don't know. I didn't want to come. I wanted to get back in the car and hide from the leeches. I've taken 6 off my shoes already. They're just the ones I've seen. It's terrifying.
It's a nice walk.
It is. I'm boiling though because I'm wearing like 101
Yeah.
protection ones.
Definitely going to go to shorts. Yeah, so all up these 2 waterfalls, there's one that's 350 metres each way. This one's 500. So nice short walks just off the side of the road. Where else but Queensland? Stunning. Ooh, that's not going to get that light. You having fun?
No.
I feel like this video is going to be Justin enjoying waterfalls, Alex looking at her feet profusely.
I'm pretty sure there's one in my bright hues.
We made the drive about half an hour.
The Josephine Falls. Do you know what I like about it? Bitumen pathway.
Yeah.
A lot more people, most of them are bare feet, so if there's any leeches who would have gone for bare feet, I'm guessing.
Yeah. It seems pretty popular, so
I think
we'll
we
go.
can go for a swim. I didn't bring my gear, Justin's got a soaking wet stuff from
What my
yesterday.
soaking wet swimmers.
I might dip my feet in.
Turns out if you hang your clothes up in a rainforest overnight, they don't dry. It's
You
crazy.
just get wet everyone.
Yeah, so we'll go for a swim. I don't know, I'm pretty hungry.
We'll head to Babinda for lunch. Did you enjoy the slippery dip at Josephine Falls?
That was epic. My nipples are a bit chafed.
From your forward facing one?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty good. The water was almost at the not safe level. That makes it perfect, doesn't it?
Yeah, it was good current. It was freezing cold though. How was that?
Yeah, good. No leeches that I'm aware of. So always good that one. I didn't go in there, which was a bit disappointing.
And now we're just going to head off to Babinda Falls for some lunch.
See if we can camp there. It's a free camp, but it's first in first serve, so we'll see if there's any space. But I'm so hungry, so let's eat.
Yep.
So we got a spot at Babinda Free Camp. Had some lunch. I've been doing some planning. We've got a busy few days ahead, by the way, Justin.
I did some editing.
And now we're going to head to the boulders
Yeah.
for a swim. It stopped raining momentarily, so we thought now's the chance to go and get wet.
Yeah, and it's a cool little campsite, so it's a council run one,
Yeah.
is it? And it's a free camp for 72 hours. And it's got cold showers, toilets.
And it's right next to the boulders, I think. I hope.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll go and check them out. Look at him like try to run.
He looks like a fancy chicken with fancy legs.
But are they what, like...
So, they're not my chickens.
We've come across so many chickens in the Atherton Tablelands. Like, I understand the bush turkeys over there, but actual chickens is a whole nother ball game.
I wonder if you just follow them around, you can collect their eggs.
Yeah. Justin also just slipped on his arse and like grazed half of his foot. Oh, it's your toe that's quite deep. He hasn't mastered walking yet, but he's, toughing it out.
Yeah.
Do you want to go left or do you want to go right?
Oh, no,
Devil's
that's just
Pools walk.
And no swimming, so let's get right.
Pretty deep there then. Cold?
Nah.
It's freezing. I've got my... I think it's cold.
It's not too bad.
Go up to here. It's our
not too
shower
bad.
today.
No, not yet.
It suddenly felt a bit warm.
Join us next time as we head further north up through the Atherton Tablelands to one of the most iconic waterfalls on the east coast of Australia. Maybe two that you might not have heard of, but you'll soon want to visit.